Google Spreadsheet is very similar to Microsoft's Excel spreadsheet. Many of the functionality is the same. The uses can be the same. The major difference is the fact that you could actually share a spreadsheet so multiple people could enter in data into cells. Um, so the spreadsheet is very similar. You can make multiple tabs. Let me pull one up real quickly. So if I go to and I go create a spreadsheet. If you look here, many of the things are very similar. Again, the first thing you want to do is name it and file it somewhere. So I'm going to name it test spread. And we're going to file it somewhere. So let's file it under Grace and move. And now that's where that one is located. But in terms of putting things in, it's all very similar. So I could have multiple numbers, so 23. And if I want to have a formula where it keeps on adding up 1, I'll simply take equals, take this cell before it, and then say +1. Now 24. You can then take this little tab in the bottom right-hand corner and drag it down, and it'll continue that formula. So you see that it continues counting. So in terms of filling formulas, it's very similar. If I want to add all these things up, so if I want to say total, and if I want to add up all these terms, I would say equal sign, because that is actually your function bar or your function symbol. I'll say equals sum of this cell through this cell here, close it up with another parenthesis, and now I have my total. So a lot of this stuff is pretty cool in terms of you can still do the same that you did in Excel. Again, the major difference is that I can now share this with somebody else and they can enter data into, or they can actually see results. Instead of continually saving and updating and sending between people, you can see real-time information.